Hello there, how are you? If you are new in Amazon affiliate program as like me, and if you already added one website into Amazon associate account, but you think now you need to add one more website, then what you need to do? Okay, I will show you step by step here. You need to go Google, search how to add a new website in Amazon Associate, and you will find this help post or help note. You can see anything. You can say anything, and click there. After click there, you will find this article. Okay, you can say this article topics or help note and read this here. uh, Adding a new site to the website list. If you have more one website, we ask that you keep your sites up to date per the operating agreement. You can update your website information here, and you need to click here, or you can control button and click new button. Okay, then if you like to add another or multiple website your existing associate account, enter the website URL and click the add website button. I will show you all, follow by step by step. Please wait and don't stop this video. I think this video will change your mind, and it will more helpful. So don't hesitates, and please please I think you will very benefited from this video. Okay, and then go, and if you now you need to click the email icon, and you need to go account setting. Okay, and here you can change anything everything what you want to change your account. So I want to add my website URL. Okay, so here is the change your password option, account information, change your password, edit your website, mobile app, and Alexa skill list. Okay, edit your website, mobile app, and Alexa skill information, link stored IDs, send your on one link, tracking ID preference. Okay, global store preference, manage your tracking IDs, manage account users, and select your primary email. Okay, manage accounts uses and select your primary email. Manage account uses and select your primary email address. Send your email performance, associate site, uh, site is script option, and close your account. Don't click this option here. If you click here, your account will be closed. Okay, in this option I all explain. Now I will explain the payment option. Payment and tax information. Send your contact information. If you click here and go to the next option and click the change your contact information. If you want more video like this, like that, you want to know all this step by step, then I will show you next video. You can comment below in the video, if the link is if this video work for you. Okay, if you if your comments up to 1000, then I will make all of video like this, all these topics. Okay, since payment method, view your payment history, view your rate card, okay, view provide tax information, and incomplete. Here the more option. So now I will change the edit website, mobile apps, and other Alexa information. Here, click here. Okay, now I already add my websites, your websites. Okay, enter your mobile apps or Alexa skill URL. At the option you can add websites, and if you have a mobile apps you can add here many things like that. Okay, so this video today here is end. If you think this video is benefited for you, you can share with your friends and family and with other, uh, and if you share, then they will love you, like you, because you helped them share this video, and this video very helpful for new associate Amazon account holder. Thank you very much, and please don't subscribe my channel, and please like this video.